up in here. This is cute.
It better be
Isn't she
hot.
cute?
She cute. She look cute.
Even the train station is lit.
Even the train station is cute.
Oh, this is the train station?
So,
Oh, wow. Welcome to Toledo. Out here. Okay. What is this, a lake? A river?
I want to lay right there.
Let's get baptized. Oh, can we go down there? Can we get down there? The sun.
Don't listen to me. I don't know what's going on.
I mean, the water's not blue, but it's very colorful.
Y'all want natural light. I don't want any type of.
Oh my gosh, I want to move here. I want to get married here.
Please.
I want to get married here, actually. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving this. I feel like Mamma Mia.
Okay, where exactly are we? Is this a castle? Or is this just the end of the town?
Wow.
Ooh, pretty. Oh, look at the swans. Look, y'all. The little swans and little duckies. But Toledo is very pretty. Very, very pretty. And it's hot too. So hot. Like, whew. The sun is beaming on my face, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Are about to go in. It looks so nice out here. This is a lot. It hit us. I wish he better not hit us, dude.
I feel like the guy with the microphone is like, here you have
It's a castle. It looks very like
Yeah, so,
Arab influenced here.
Yeah, this is Muslim. It's the opposite.
It's Muslim.
Yeah.
Okay.
Islamic.
yeah, so it's definitely the opposite way over here. That's exactly what we're trying to get to the place exactly.
What an elevator.
Allison Carr.
Who should I? I'm out of breath. Cause we here. Y'all see this? This thing racist. It's like, I'm guessing about the enslavement of Africans. If anybody can translate what this says, let me know. 'Cause I'm pretty sure that's the Spanish man conquering Africa. It's so nice out here, y'all. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I don't know what's going on with my throat.
Ya está.
It's coming. Smell like garlic. Ooh. Smells like garlic. And I would like some garlic bread. Who do you vote? Pretty lips, y'all. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my god, these are so cute. I wish I could take them out. These are so cute. Amazing. Oh shit. We can.
You can. Yeah.
Alright, it's nice and big and clean and spacious. You know, we're being tourists right now. Gotta get some tourist things. It's nice in here. Oh, he putting it on the ground? What is he doing? Oh.